In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Manychat. By the end, you'll know how to remove a single contact and how to clean up multiple contacts at once using bulk actions. A quick heads up before we start. Deleting a contact permanently removes their data from your Manychat account, and it can't be undone. Make sure you truly want to remove them and that you're following your organization's data and privacy policies. To delete one contact, start on the Home tab in your Manychat workspace so you have the left sidebar visible. From there, click Contacts to open your contact list. Find the person you want to remove and click their name to open their profile page. In the profile view, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More menu, and click it. Choose Delete Contact. A confirmation window will appear asking you to type the word delete. This extra step helps prevent accidental removals. Type delete exactly as shown, then click delete to confirm. That's it for a single contact. The profile and related data will be removed from your account. If you need to delete several contacts at once, go back to the contacts list view. Select the checkbox next to each contact you want to remove. Take a moment to verify your selections, since this action is permanent. When you're confident, click Bulk Actions at the top of the list. From the menu, choose Delete Contact. You'll see the same confirmation window asking you to type delete, enter delete, then click delete to finalize. Manychat will process the bulk removal and clear those contacts from your list. A couple of closing tips to stay organized and safe. Double check you're in the correct workspace, make sure you truly no longer need the contacts you're removing, and avoid deleting anyone you might still be nurturing in active automations. When in doubt, pause and review before confirming. With these steps, you can confidently keep your Manychat contact list accurate and up to date.